Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to listen a wonderful story from my friend Lisa. Let's take a listen.
My wonderful family. My name is Lisa. I am a student at a junior high school. I sit on third standard. I have one brother and one sister. My brother's name is Tony. He is an officer. And my sister's name is Nita. She is a nurse. My mother's name is Mrs. Elena. She is a housewife. My father's name is Mr. Harris. He is a businessman. We live in a small town in Indonesia. At our house, we live with our family and also with my grandfather and grandmother. In holiday, our family always go out for vacation. Sometimes we go to a beach, sometimes we go to a mountain, and sometimes we go for a shopping. My family is very important to me. We do lots of things together, like cook together, eat together, wash together, clean house together, watch TV together, with help to each other, understand to each other, and share to each other. Our family live in harmony, prosperous and full of happiness. Thank you very much for listening my wonderful story and my wonderful family. See you later in another story. Bye-bye.